Good evening and welcome everyone. If you will please settle down, we'll start now. Welcome to Raganubandha. The title was suggested by Sangeeta ma'am. And it's such a pleasure to have us with us to celebrate my mom's 83rd birthday. We welcome you all to this gala evening. This is actually a fan moment for me because I'm a big fan of Sangeeta ma'am. And I'm so glad that she's here with us to celebrate Amma's birthday. This also happens to be the official birthday of my Chikkappa, M.R. Srinivasan, who was with Mice Electrical Industries. Please give him also a big hand. Thank you, Chikkappa. Probably a very short intro about Sangeeta ma'am because she has a very big profile. She is a master in music, 1992. Her music spans genres of Carnatic classical, devotional, folk and fusion music, which she has adapted to with lot of ease. She has performed widely on stage shows, sabhas, corporate events, temples, Hampi Utsav, TTD, BMTC, Aero India, that's where I became her fan. She also has performed for British Airways, for the King of Dubai, and even in front of APJ Abdul Kalam, my mentor. Not only pan-India, Sangeeta ma'am has been invited and has performed in Singapore and Thailand too. She was introduced to music at 5 by her mother, Srimati Sushila Rani, a violinist and PG in Carnatic vocal from Mysore University. That's where my mom did her masters in music as well. And supported ably by her husband Gopinath, an international acclaimed drummer. Sangeeta ma'am began her formal music training under Vidwan B.M. Muni Venkatappa, and she is mentored under Dr. Gauri Kuppuswamy, head of Department Music, Mysore University, one of the most senior disciples of Semmanagudi Srinivasayar, Padma Vibhushan Vidwan R.K. Srikantan, Kala Acharya Vidushi Srimati Neela Rajgopal, and Vidushi Srimati R.A. Ramamani. A passionate and sought after music teacher, Sangeeta is the director of World Music Conservatory, Ovia Art Academy, Bangalore Academy of Acting, Filmmaking and Anchoring with over 700 students. Sangeeta ma'am is also a proactive social worker and co-founder of an NGO called Smile Charitable Trust that works in the domain of education and sanitation. She has produced a lot of live shows and TV shows as well on TV9, Ayush TV, Udaya TV, Sri Shankara TV, and also has been in the launch of Raj Musics. I now leave you in the able hands of Sangeeta ma'am to carry our entire section of Carnatic music. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. I hope, I'll keep up to all that you have said.
And more, I'm sure.
And wishing Amma a very, very happy birthday once again. I feel very emotional. I was very close to my mom. I lived with my mom all my life, in fact. And I thank Vidya Sagarji for giving this wonderful opportunity. It's such a lovely program to perform in. So I'll be singing a couple of classical, followed by some amazing singers. We have Anita Bhatt, we have Chinmayi, we have Rekha, we have Rajesh ji. So it's going to be a beautiful program this evening, and a couple of classical for you to start with. And seeking blessings from all my gurus, I begin this program with a Hamsadvani Raga, a popular Sri Muthuswami Dikshita's composition. वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा सर्वदा सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा वातापि गणपतिं भजे वातापि गणपतिं भजेऽहं 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 वारणास्यं वारणास्यो वरप्रदो श्रीवारणास्यो वरप्रदो श्रीवारणास्यो वरप्रदो श्रीवारणास्यो वरप्रदो श्रीवातापि गणपतिं भूतादिशं सेवितचरणं भूतादिशं सेवितचरणं भूतभौतिक प्रपञ्चभरणं भूतादिशं सेवितचरणं भूतभौतिक प्रपञ्चभरणं वितरागिणं वित्तयोगिनं वितरागिणं वित्तयोगिनं विश्वकारणं विघ्नपारणं वितरागिणं वित्तयोगिनं विश्वकारणं विघ्नपारणं वातापि गणपतिं प्रपूजितं त्रिकोणमध्यगतं पुराकुम्भसंभव मुनिवर प्रपूजितं त्रिकोणमध्यगतं मुरारी प्रमुखजुपासितं मूलाधारचित्रस्थितं मुरारी प्रमुखजुपासितं मूलाधारचित्रस्थितं मुरारी चत्वारि वागात्मकं प्रणवस्वरूप वक्रतुण्डं वक्रारि चत्वारि वागात्मकं प्रणवस्वरूप वक्रतुण्डं प्रणवस्वरूप सरिगपनि प्रणवस्वरूप गरि सनि पनि गरि प्रणवस्वरूप सरिगपनि स रे गपनि स गपनि स नि स नि पनि प्रणवस्वरूप गरि 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 गपनि गरि प्रणवस्वरूप गरि 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 गप गप गपनि पनि पनि स नि गरि 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 नि स नि प गरि स गरि गपनि प्रणवस्वरूप ग ग ग ग गरि रि ग ग ग गरि रि ग ग ग गरि रि गरि रि ग ग ग गरि रि गरि रि ग गरि रि गरि रि ग We move on to a composition by Sri Mysuru Vasudeva.